Hello, my little YouTubers. Welcome to the channel. The Loquacious One coming at you with another couponing haul, showing you how I do it. I have began exploring different platforms to enhance my channel. I'm still not where I want to be, but I am slowly getting there. So I appreciate each and every one of you all's patience. I am embarking on this new journey of saving money. So while I'm on it, I will show you a few little tricks I learned. I have been watching those extreme couponers, and they are doing it to death. But I myself am grasping it. Okay, I started with household cleaning products, laundry products, paper goods, and health and beauty aids. Then I'll be going into the food and finally the big ticket items. Okay, so I have to just break it down and do it a little bit at a time. But today I'm coming at you with things I got. These I'm not going to bore you with the prices because I'm just going to show you how you can really save money, even if you shop at those at the Dollar Tree. That it may be worth your while to perhaps coupon it because you get larger quantities and a better quality. Okay, so I'm going to start with the spray and wash stain remover. It's 22 ounces. I had $1 coupon off, and that ended up being $2.25. Okay, and I also got these scent boosters. I got the Purex Crystal Fresh Spring Waters. I got the Snuggles Plus Super Fresh, and it's in the scent of Spring Burst. I got the Snuggles Plus Super Fresh. It's in the scent Original. And I got the Downy's Unstoppable in Spring Print Temps. And I got the Downy's Infusion in Wash Scent Boosters in Lavender Serenity. Okay, and all of these scent boosters were on sale. Plus, I stacked a coupon on top of that, and none of them was over $2 to $2.95 was the highest, maybe, if that. So you save a lot. You can stack a coupon on a you can stack a store coupon on a manufacturer's coupon, but you can't stack two managers' coupons together. Okay, or manufacturer's coupons, if you get what I'm saying. So you can use the store coupon and the manufacturer's coupon, but you can't use two manufacturer's coupon on a product. And there's also a limit on the quantity of products you can buy. Next, I got this Snuggle Plus Super Fresh and Original. It's 46 loaves, 48.6 ounces. I got this Downy Ultra Downy Infusion in Lavender Serenity, which is the same as these in wash beads. Then I got what's called the Fabric Protect Ultra Downy in April Fresh. And I got the Ultra Downy Protect and Refresh, and it's in April Fresh. And all of these were $2.75 to $2.95 when I got through putting a coupon on top of the sale price. So what I do, and the trick I do, because I'm not an avid couponer, like I said, I'm not going to stay in the store all day. I will simply go and check the weekly ads for the best prices, what they have, and then I download the coupons to the particular store's app, such as Dollar General, Family Dollar. Okay, and from there I just go and shop. And when you enter your telephone number at the pad, bam, the coupons fall off. Now I will get a Sunny's paper, and with that I will clip coupons from Smart Source, Retail Me Not, P&G. Okay, and that's how I stack the coupons. Nothing elaborate. I'll also be coming at you with a way to stockpile and stock up without couponing. Okay, but until then, I'm going to show you some laundry detergent packs I bought. Okay, continuing on with the laundry pods. If you use those, I've gotten, and these all are suitable to use in the high efficiency machines. This is the Tide Plus 4-in-1 Downy April Fresh, and it is 12 pack capsules in there. This is the Tide Pods 3-in-1 with the original scent, and this is a 16 pack. And then I got 2 of these Stain Lifters Mighty Packs, free and clear. It's recommended by dermatologists, allergists, and pediatrician. 100% free of dyes and perfume, fights tough stains and gentle on skin. There's 22 packs in each one of these. And I get these generally to wash the sheets of my guests or anyone who has skin issues, and you know, the detergent or the perfumes from detergents might irritate their skin. This is what I use. You can also use Dreth, which is a laundry detergent. It's powder that's used to wash children's clothes and diapers. And I went to Gain. Everybody seems to love Gain. Some people don't. But I like Gain. The scent, you cannot, dispute it. It's wonderful. And this is Gain Flings Plus Aroma Burst. It's 3-in-1 with Oxy Boost Softener and Febreze in it. And it is a 14 pack. Excuse me. And this is Gain Flings with Aroma Boost 3-in-1 pack. It has 14 capsules. Also is in the scent Moonlight Breeze. Okay, and all of these, when it's all said and done, they came to $2.95 a piece. Not bad. Okay, folks, that's it. That's all for my little laundry haul, just to show you how I get down. I stack coupons on sales or even clearance. So you just watch your ads. Generally, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, they will have a, ad that shows you all the cleaning products and house cleaning products that are on sale, and then you use your coupons. Then don't forget to invest in the Sunday's paper to get those coupons. Don't forget to go on the website of the different stores as well as manufacturers to get a better selection of coupons. Okay, this is Loquacious One. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the love, kindness, and support you have shown me. And if you have any couponing tips or know where you can get a great source to get coupons, please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, please click the subscribe button, thumbs up, like this video, and share if you're on social media. Till next time, this is Loquacious One. Bye bye.